What is up, guys? My fellow rideshare hustlers. Hope everyone is doing well, staying healthy, staying paid. I think I mostly am. It is Friday today. It has been a good week so far. Things are back to normal, thank God. The last 2 weeks were super slow. I mean, I barely cracked 1,000 for like 50 hours each week, so it was that's painful for me, guys, so but I'm almost at 1,000, or I'll be at 1,000 at the end of today, most likely. Sorry, I just booted up my tablet. Like I said, I hope everyone's making good money, because there has been some good surges this week and the demand is back. It was a little slow Wednesday, right? But everything seems to be back to normal now. You guys can see that 826, right? For 34 hours. So I'm not at 25 bucks an hour. I might probably be at 23 at the end of the week if everything goes well, today, tomorrow, and Sunday. But I guess we'll just have to wait and see. This video is about rideshare insurance. I bit the bullet yesterday and I went out and bought rideshare insurance because a couple different reasons. Uber never fully explained. They only explain to you how insurance works in the event of an accident. Now, or unless you go looking for the answers yourselves. I have done research into this thing because I've known a lot of drivers. And I hope you guys understand this. In the event of an accident, there are 3 periods, okay? Period 1 is logged on the app. That's period 1. Period 2 is logged on the app and going to pick up a passenger. That's period 2. Period 3 is passenger in the car on a trip. Remember that, guys. Period 3, Uber will only cover you if you have an accident, whether it's your fault or not, on period 3. That's when they cover the damage to the car and the medical expenses for the passenger. And I'm not sure if they cover your medical expenses. But whatever damage is done to the car, you're going to have to pay $1,000 deductible for that. For Uber, for Lyft, it's $2,500. So that's 1 for Uber. Negative 1 for Lyft. So now that we have that, I hope if you guys caught that, hope you're paying attention. Now, rideshare insurance is not offered by most of the well-known insurers. There's a couple smaller ones that cover it, because if you get into an accident on period 1 or 2, Uber will not cover the damage. They will tell you to make a claim with your insurance provider. And if you go through the process, if you have an accident and the tickets gets written up, and on the report it says you're an Uber driver or a rideshare driver, and you report that to your insurance company, they will not pay for the damages. You will be held responsible for whatever damages happen, or what the cost is. So if your car gets fucked up and it's $5,000 in damage, then you better have that $5,000 handy, because Uber will not be covering it, and your insurance company will drop you. I mean, they will cover you up until the moment you make a claim, saying that I've heard that even if you get into an accident and the insurance adjuster comes and sees your car and sees an Uber sticker, they might drop you for that. Because this is a commercial, this is a business. This is, you're using your money using your car to make money, which is not what you're supposed to be doing, technically. And a lot of, the insurance agent I talked to yesterday said that most companies, if you tell them you drive for Uber, will kind of like brush it off. They might warn you that if you get into an accident, they may not cover you entirely. Or if you, let's say your car's 3 years old and you have 150,000 miles on it, they're not going to be shelling out too much money when they know like you were driving for a rideshare company. So I went and I bought rideshare insurance. Now I know some of you are probably gonna be like, stupid move, why would you do that? But I'm a full-time driver. I make between $1,200 and $1,500 per week, usually, minus the last 2 weeks. And this is my business, and I make good money doing it, and I want to make sure my ass is covered. Because if you guys were driving that first snow we got on Friday, I think it was 3 weeks ago or a month ago, there was 4 accidents on 90 East that morning. I don't have to worry about myself. I'm a good driver. I had a couple accidents when I was in my early 20s, but I'm a damn good driver. I mean, I literally don't have to worry about myself. But there are a lot of idiots on the road. I see so much horrible driving on a daily basis. It's scary. And with the inclusion of snow and ice, anything can happen. And my insurance agent yesterday told me that he has a client or customer that was involved in a 5-car pileup during like period 1, and he's being sued to the fucking gills. And if you had insurance, I mean, it's just, it really is just peace of mind. Like, I really hope to never need it, but I will be, this is a business expense, so I will be deducting it. I picked up life insurance too, like I'm an adult now. Hopefully my family doesn't see this video, because they might be fighting over who gets that insurance money. But yeah, I really wanted to explain, hopefully the best I could, how rideshare insurance works and how much coverage you have in the event of an accident. Like, here's the thing though, that's why they call accidents. They can happen anytime, anywhere. And like for Lyft, if you get into an accident while with a passenger, $2,500, that's no joke. That's a lot of fucking money. That's 2 weeks of earnings for me, you know? So it's like, if you, let's say you have a bad car accident, let's say you scuff up the entire side of your car and it's like $2,000 worth of damage, you're gonna have to kind of like decide whether you would just want a banged up car or pay $2,500 to get it, or you might save money by paying it out of pocket. But either way, I mean, Uber's only $1,000, so I mean, most of us, I mean, that'll suck. But anyway, getting a little off track here. Yeah, I think honestly, anyone who's interested, contact me. I will give you, it's Farmers Insurance. This is my policy right here. Contact me if you're interested. I will give you the contact information of my insurance agent. Super cool guy, really funny. The whole process was very painless. I was in the office for a while because I was joking around with the guy. So, but I can't stress enough how important it is. You guys may want to have insurance. I know, Mike. Getting a call. Hold on. I don't know who that person is. My 21-year-old self would probably try to kick my ass right now, but you got to be responsible out here. You really do. It's really important. The stupidest shit could happen. So, yeah. Like I said, contact me if you want my insurance agent's contact information. Other than that, like, comment, share. I think this would be a good video to share because a lot of people don't know how much they're covered, or that certain companies offer rideshare insurance. And there's only 2 of us in the rideshare group chat, so I really think you guys should join in. Me and the other guy, we've got a wealth of knowledge. We're both very knowledgeable on the market here and on the apps, and I think it'd be helpful to anyone who wants to get in on it. So that's all I got, guys. Stay safe out there. Bye.